Did I ever ask you to take me out shopping in Paris or sailing overseas and just make me and get you know? All I ever asked was you to pick up the phone and you alone. All I ever asked was you to show me some love.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Neshatheartist and I'm coming to you today with a whole new makeup look, and I'm doing a tutorial on this look. So if you guys are interested, please stay tuned. This look is inspired by Tiana Taylor. It's her new video. She didn't have on an eye makeup look or anything like that, or maybe she did, but in her video she had yellow. And I love the whole concept of how she did this video, and it was so inspiring to me that I had to create a makeup look because of it. But yeah, alright guys. Okay, I am going in with a calamine lotion. This is what I use for my primer. I think it works amazingly, and I do recommend it if you have really oily skin, because I have extremely oily skin, especially in the summertime. Now I'm going in and filling in my brows. I'm using Embark by MAC eyeshadow to do my brows. And I'm using a Morphe brush as well. Now I'm using my MAC concealer brush. It's a small version of the bigger one. I am using my Fenty concealer to isolate under my brows. I wish I would have used a different shade, but that's alright. It came out a little bit orange. I am using my foundation brush and just blending down that concealer. I am isolating the type of my brows with my foundation from Maybelline. I am using just a really light base for my concealer for my eyelids so that yellow can pop. The palettes that I use are the Brazilian Take Me to Brazil palette by BH Cosmetics, and I'm also using a Morphe palette as well that has a bright yellow in it. I love this contour palette. I use the middle shade of that palette to highlight my brow bone. And it's just to set that concealer that's under my eyebrows. I am using my favorite foundation from Maybelline. That was the 358. No, sorry, 368. I'm using my Beauty Blender sponge in black. Now I'm going ahead and using my concealer from LA Girl Pro, a concealer in the shade Chestnuts, to highlight under my brows and my T-zone. And I'm just blending that out with that Beauty Blender. I really love a Beauty Blender, honestly. I'm going in with my Sacha Buttercup setting powder. I'm not just baking, I am setting my concealer under my eye and my T-zone area. I don't like to bake because I feel like it makes me too ashy, and I don't like that. Now I'm going ahead and using one of my favorite eyeliners from NYX. It's a matte eyeliner, and I do recommend it. So good. Now I'm using my mascara from Benefits, Bad Gal. I'm going ahead and using my favorite lash from iMovie. These lashes are 25mm lashes, and oh my gosh, if you want your lashes to pop, this is the lash you should use. And I'm using my black lash glue from Duo. I stand by that glue. That's what I use. I don't use anything else. I don't use the white one. I use the black one. Now I'm going ahead and contour. I should have contoured before I set my face, but this is the way I did it. I contoured with the Huda contour cream. I really like this contour. I really feel like it, you know, is for me. And thank you, Huda. It's so easy to blend out, honestly. It's just easy, easy, easy. No mistakes. If you have any mistakes, it's just makeup. You could just correct it. Simple. And I went back in with my Sacha Buttercup and just set some more under my eyes and my T-zone area, just so that everything could be cohesive and blending in. I'm using my black eyeliner pencil from Lorac. Now I'm going to go ahead and use this Juvia's Place, oh my gosh, highlighter. It was so bright, and it was honestly my first time really using it. And girl, oh yes, this is the Wet n Wild setting spray in matte. And that is my Kiss Brown Lip Liner. Is one of my favorites right now when I'm creating my nude lips. I love it. Now I'm using this lip liquid lipstick from Cami Cosmetics in the shade Hush. This is my all-time favorite nude pinkish color liquid lipstick. All right, guys, thank you for tuning in, and thank you so much. Yes, don't forget to like, subscribe, plus the notification button. Yes, thank you so much. Love you guys.